combining Fibonacci levels with areas of confluence to increase trade quality. This here is where the short trade opportunity occurred, as it is an area of confluence and access point. So let's break it down. First, you would have identified this as a clear moving downtrend, as price is making lower highs and lower lows. So you want to trade with the moving downtrend. You had your key level of resistance here because of this reversal point. You have your trend line here, and because it crosses with the resistance level, it makes it an area of confluence. You then have your moving average here. Notice how it intersects perfectly at the access point and area of confluence. So to increase the quality of the trade, we grab the fib tool, click at the swing high here, drag it down to the recent swing low, and look at that. The trade opportunity you identified at the area of confluence is also at the 50% fib retracement level. So when price reached the level, you had multiple long wick candles sticking out and failing to break through, which shows a reaction to the area of confluence and confirms the trade opportunity short. So why is this a high quality short trade at this area of confluence? You had support and resistance traders looking to enter short. You had trendline traders looking to enter short. Moving average traders looking to enter short. Trend traders looking to enter short. Candlestick and price action traders looking to enter short. Confluence traders looking to enter short. And then also you had Fibonacci traders looking to enter short. All these schools of traders stacked at the area of confluence looking to take action, and in this case, take action and enter short trades increases the chances of the trade going in your favor, which means it is a high quality short trade entry.